Welcome to the video where we dive into a common problem encountered when deserializing JSON numbers to big decimal in Java. The problem lies in the inconsistency of preserving the scale of a number during deserialization. Specifically, when using read tree, the scale may not be preserved as expected, resulting in 0.10 being treated as 0.1. However, when deserializing with read value, the scale is correctly maintained, returning a big decimal with the scale of 2. Quite a perplexing issue, isn't it? Let's delve into the solution for this dilemma. By setting the JSONNode factory attribute of the ObjectMapper and enabling the deserialization feature. Use _big_decimal_ for underscore floats. We can ensure that DecimalNode instances are created with exact representations of big decimal instances, maintaining the scale of the number during deserialization. The code snippet provided utilizes these settings to deserialize the JSON number 0.10 and print a result, showcasing the correct scale of 2. It's fascinating how a simple adjustment can resolve such an intricate issue, isn't it? Continuing with our solution exploration, another approach involves utilizing the ObjectMapper without altering the JSONNode factory attribute. By enabling the deserialization feature that use _big_decimal_ for underscore floats and directly deserializing the JSON number 0.10 to a big decimal class. The read value method leverages the big decimal constructor to uphold the scale of the number, resulting in the desired output of 0.10 with a scale of 2. Sometimes, the simplest solutions yield the most satisfying results. In summary, we've uncovered the reason behind the inconsistency in preserving the scale of JSON numbers during deserialization to big decimal in Java. By adjusting the ObjectMapper's settings and ensuring DecimalNode instances are created with precise representations of big decimal instances, we can maintain the scale as intended. Remember, precision is key when working with numerical data in JSON deserialization. We hope you found this solution enlightening and helpful. Make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Remember, stay curious and keep coding.